Hi, I'm Michael at Lighthouse Communications. Let's talk about how to use chat in your upcoming hybrid meetings. Now, most of us, we absolutely fell in love with chat in our virtual meetings during the pandemic. It was a great way to participate without having to speak up. Here's a strategy that you can use to keep the chat function alive in your hybrid meetings and get more people talking. It's called Chat and Fish. Let's say I'm in a meeting with 20 people and I want to get a discussion going. Rather than ask a question and have the same two people answer, instead, I'm going to ask people to go into chat and answer that question in a sentence or less. This is the chat. Then, as the meeting host, I'm going to invite 3 to 4 people to unmute and share a little bit more about what they wrote in chat. This is the fish. I've been using this technique over the last 6 months and it has worked like a charm. Let's watch this in action with the Lighthouse team using a simple question. What are our team goals for 2022? As we head into the new year, I'd love to know what your goals are, what you have in mind to make next year more successful than ever. Let's do chat and fish. In a sentence or less, what is a team goal we should strive for in 2022? For example, create a new video each month. Take 30 seconds and then press enter. All right. Take a few moments to read over the responses. Gregory, you said fewer docs, too many to keep track of. Would you like to unmute and share a little bit more?
Yeah, I just feel that I've been overwhelmed with Docs, Google Docs, and I feel like there could be definitely.
And you said more team building activities. Would you like to unmute and share a little bit more?
Sure. Yeah, I think we could benefit from a few more activities throughout the year.
You've got the idea. Chat and Fish is a great way to get everybody's voice into the meeting. And did you notice how I said, oh, would you like to unmute and share more? This is an invitation to verbally share, and the meeting attendee can always say no. In your next hybrid meeting, use this strategy by name, Chat and Fish.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. If you've got questions and comments, feel free to leave those below. And finally, if you're interested in a training for yourself, for your team, for your company, feel free to reach out at info@lhctraining.com. We'll see you in the next video.